Hi day traders and investors, today is Tuesday, July 18. I'm ready to introduce a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. What's going on financial markets? Gold has created a curious bullish pin bar so that our buying trading plan with nice targets could work out well. Now let's discuss our charts on MetaTrader 4. Speaking about gold, here's our gorgeous pin bar of the buying impulse. The first upward target has been already hit. As the 2-day high, I assumed the gold price could climb higher and activate the seller's stop orders set at 1985. Is the second target if you open long positions at the levels I recommended to you in early July. I suggested 2 targets. If you're patient enough, the higher target is around the corner. Let's apply the Fibonacci grid to the buy impulse. Here are 161 and 261 Fibonacci levels that indicate high prices. I want to underscore the potential of the gold uptrend on the back of the greenback's weakness. A lot of instruments are now taking advantage of the greenback's weakness. Hence, some interim targets have been already hit. I hope you're participating in the dollar's downtrend. Now let's discuss the euro-dollar pair. I know that a lot of traders went short during the downward correction that is unfolding inside the overall bullish trend. They hope to earn when the price goes up again. This trading plan may be implemented or not. Some traders practice the strategy on retracements, but they trade without stop losses. We don't know the extent of growth. It means high risks to your deposits. If we scrutinize the chart, we don't see any trend reversal signals. The market is now at the distribution stage after the accompanying stage. Some Forex analysts recognize the climax of a trend, but it doesn't always happen. If it happens, a climax is accompanied by high volatility. I don't see any conditions that could stop this steady bullish trend. The reason is the weakness of the dollar, which acts as a quoted currency. Everyone is now wondering where the euro-dollar pair will move. I have bad news for the sellers. The bullish impulse is still strong. Indeed, the instrument is having downward corrections. However, there's no signs of a trend reversal. I warned you not to trade against a strong ongoing uptrend. You'd better wait for a consolidation stage. Then the instrument may create interesting targets. Don't sell it without any reasons. The greenback's weakness is also displayed in the USD CAD pair. The sell impulse is still going on. I don't see any swing points and reversal signs. In fact, the instrument grew a bit following the news from Canada. The pound-dollar pair is also extended in its stunning bullish trend. I remind you that the sterling owes its rally not to the British economy, but to the dollar's weakness. This fundamental came into being in October 2020. The question is where the instrument will halt its growth. Some analysts predict the level of 1.3220 from which the instrument could have a downward retracement. The buyers could fix profits on their long positions, so I expect a correction. You may try to plan short positions on smaller time frames. 1,500 pips are left before this level. I mean, it's too early to sell before this level. The dollar-yen pair is drifting downward. I haven't detected any swing points. The instrument is developing a sell impulse. The pair formed a bearish pin bar yesterday. This instrument also proves the global weakness of the US dollar. Even Bloomberg experts admit this dollar's reign is coming to an end. I predicted that it would happen after the US dollar indices crosses 100. This is what exactly happened. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.